All right, guys, I got the skid steer 99% ready. I got this thing cut out. I got the muffler all mocked up. I got this guy here in, everything's set. I gotta tack weld it, pull it back out, and we're good. And I can't find my new hood, so we're doing this. Let's see here. What's a good thing to plant? This might be good. We'll try that. See if I can get us in here for a shot. Little tack. Ooh, I don't look like I got that back one. We'll do another one quick. It's a lot harder to do than it looks. Holding the camera and trying to aim in the dark. Thanks guys for watching, for real. We're almost done. Oh, it's a fire!